So 2020 harvest has begun, and we just wanted to go over some products that are available through Sloan Express that we've had for a little while, plus some new ones we just added on. So we're gonna go over that real quick. The chopper blades you have at the back of the combine, gonna be for your S series or 70 series combines. We are now stocking them and have been stocking them for a little while. And then get into your two-piece bushings on the same series combines, 70 series and S series. You can get them as well from us now. We just brought them on, so it's that two-piece bushing instead of single piece. So you can get them from us. And also, you can get the hardware, the nuts and bolts for those as well. So I just want to make everybody aware you can get those products from us. They are all made in the USA, so a good quality product. If you need to check them out, go to sloanex.com or give us a call at 800-934-9777.